just heard Eli start screaming in the other.
You're the one on the bottom.
It was freaking funny.
You guys want to do one more round, or?
I think we should just do hide and seek because he can't talk.
You guys can either mute or not. It's up to you. Oh,
Let's go!
bro's finally imposter.
Alright, let me put my music.
I know. GG's.
Wait, it's my turn first? I guess it is.
I guess it is. I mean, we have less, so I guess that works.
I fell down the stairs.
Shoot, I'm gonna have to eliminate the ones that are so out of line.
Like, which ones?
Well, I can't say because.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What?
No shot, bro. He's cheating.
How's he cheating?
I think I know it. No.
I don't know.
It's all on you too.
Bro's gonna pick the weight. Bro's gonna pick the weight.
What the heck? Okay, good luck, bro.
Ladder?
Text is goofy.
Dang.
Killing myself, bro.
I don't think he's gonna answer.
Oh, I found him. No, bro!
Amen.
My God.
Amen.
There's probably the other one. I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know.
What?
Oh, that's.
What does that mean?
That's easy, bro. Come on. Alicia, please get this, bro.
Oh, okay. I was a little confused.
I know it's a little confusing, but I did the best I could. Just go with whatever your intention feels.
This one.
Okay, we're going with what? Oh my God.
Amen.
Lord.
Alright, guys, here we go. 48 seconds.
Right here. He's right there, bro.
Ah,
Come
shoot.
on, Ben, now. Come on, Ben, now.
Hey, Juder.
And guessing?
Yeah, just press end guessing. There's only one. There's two. I just realized that.
Right, Lord.
No shot.
No. The top one.
What happened?
Why are you helping
Wes summoned me. Wes,
Sorry.
what do you want?
What you doing?
How you want me?
Are you haunting this person too?
Oh, we're gonna do it.
Wait, where's... Oh, dude.
Dang!
What are you
Oh,
doing?
guessing? I didn't even know.
And guessing.
I'm gonna just throw a shot in the dark. That one. Of course. Don't make me.
Are they winning? This one. Grandma down over by right here.
Okay.
Tia got hit by a truck.
Subscribe, everyone.
Everybody needs a screw.
You heard her.
Please.
Subscribe.
You heard her, buddy.
Subscribe instead.
One of the four elements.
Oh, this is too easy, bro.
Win.
You're probably gonna get this wrong.
Dog,
Okay,
they're
never
like
mind.
so hard to like try to get them with each other.
Again!
Space. Saturn. Oh, okay. I guess I'm pressing.
Alright, it's my last one too then.
Both of you? Oh my.
Imposter again.
Now I'm sad. Ya me voy a llorar.
What is this, bro?
Here I come, guys.
Hey, do some marshmallow. Don't kill me, please.
Hey, man.
Hurry.
You got anything to say?
Okay. Bro, I was calling. Oh.
Bye.
Hey, Junior. Junior, did you pray today? Did you pray today?
Hey, at least kill Alicia first.
No.
Hey,
What the?
Alicia.
See how it is.
Alicia. What's up, dude?
Just goofy, man. Bada boom it.
Oh, wow.
Bread.
But I already know.
One more, Junior.
Bread, I don't know.
Yes,
Bread?
you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. Oh.
I literally know.
Amen.
Oh, Lord.
That's flavor.
Hope.
I'm gonna
Dang it.
just do that because
D.
It's a jellyfish.
I was trying to spell ocean.
Bro, this music be a bop, though.
That's a good spot.
Hey, man. Oh, someone just vented, huh? Hey, Eli.
Alright, buddy.
It's chalked. I'm just gonna give my
Go read the
point.
Bible.
For real.
I knew the Spurs would have been one.
Alright, Junior, what are you gonna guess?
But if it doesn't.
It's not even.
Oh, Nuggets.
Chick.
Click on it.
He already knows the other.
Click on it. You have to click on it.
I can't click on it. I can't click on it, dude.
The top right, the little finger.
Is there not yellow
I
button?
can.
You can't?
You
My
click it,
phone
Eli.
is messed
You
up.
click it, Eli. Eli, you click it.
What's wrong with the black card?
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to put freaking. I
What else is mine? Beam, beat, crash, hop. Why did you go with the hardest word first?
Yo!
What are you doing?
What? She was down there? No shot. Hey, man. What? Alicia!
Got it!
Alicia, I'm coming.
Go to your squad. Go to the squad. What it
I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart.